what time is it? Okay. Okay. Can you give me 5 more minutes? Today's breakfast is turkey, and this is her supplement, and this is a pill. Sorry, morning time, my voice. Good morning. Please enjoy. Today I'm gonna eat shallot, and Anthony says shallot is a chef's secret, so. Kimchi has a lot of juice, so I'm gonna put this plastic thing. Do you like kimchi? Today I'm gonna use kimchi with no fish sauce, simply because I'm used to eat kimchi without fish sauce. Okay. Bit salt. Not so much because I'm gonna add kimchi. After 3 minutes or so, I'm gonna add kimchi and quickly stir. Let's go, kimchi. I'm gonna use chickpea flour. Quarter cup water, about the same amount, starting from quarter cup. I'm gonna add kimchi and shallot. You can pan fry too. When you pan fry it, make it a little more crispier. But chickpea flour is so sticky to the pan, and I'm not very good at it, so. 2 tiny pancakes. I was lazy, so I bought this salad from Loblaws. Okay, I'm gonna try, you guys. Please relax here. Poi. 3, 2, wait! Nice. Alexa, can you set the timer for 8 minutes?
8 minutes.
Oops. Looking good. Okay, today's menu is Korean pancakes. I made natto, salad. I cut a pear because I thought Suji wanna eat pear and tea. Bon appetito! Suji, so you can't eat spicy, but I cut the pear for you. Okay, watch out. You. Here you go. Last one is the big one. That's it.